Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get StockX promo code. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser. So I'm going to open Chrome and here you need to search for StockX promo code. StockX promo code. Okay, and here you can see different websites. So you need to open any of the following. So I'm going to select this website. So I already used some of them in the past, so that's why I'm showing you. So let me close this. So here you can see that you can find different codes. Click on that show code, and here you need to copy that and you can use that code onto the StockX website. So this is a simple process by which you can get StockX promo code. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.